Get ready for the electrifying arrival of the OnePlus Ace 2 Pro, the ultimate powerhouse with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. The excitement is building as we catch a glimpse of the phone's leaked render, and now brace yourselves for even more jaw-dropping revelations. Behold, a tantalizing promo image has surfaced, hinting at a stunning new Cyan color option that'll set your style on fire. But that's not all, folks. Prepare to be blown away as the promo leaflet reveals a groundbreaking feature. The OnePlus Ace 2 Pro will support mind-boggling 150W fast charging. This level of charging prowess has only been witnessed in the legendary OnePlus 10T, and it's making a heroic comeback to redefine fast charging standards. Hold on tight as we dive into the astounding specifications of this beast. The OnePlus Ace 2 Pro is set to astound with a staggering 24GB RAM and a mind-expanding 1TB storage capacity. But wait, there's more. OnePlus engineers have worked their magic to create a revolutionary multi-layer solution for VC cooling, spanning an incredible 9,140 mm. This is cutting-edge engineering at its finest, ensuring your phone stays cool even during intense gaming sessions. As if that wasn't enough excitement, OnePlus is unleashing a magnetic charger on August 9. Imagine a world of wireless charging bliss, and it's highly likely to be fully compatible with the Ace 2 Pro. It's a return of the wireless charging glory to OnePlus smartphones, and the nostalgia is real. The last time we experienced this sheer convenience was over 18 months ago with the OnePlus 10 Pro. The OnePlus Ace 2 Pro is about to redefine your smartphone experience, and the countdown has begun. Brace yourself for an electrifying ride. This phone is poised to be the epitome of speed, power, and innovation. Mark your calendars, share the news, and get ready to embrace the future of mobile technology. Peace out.
We're doing alright. When we are apart, we always do the same dance. Always on the fence.